Welcome to our video on budgeting basics. Have you ever found yourself wondering where all your money went at the end of the month? You're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their finances, but budgeting can help. Budgeting isn't just about counting pennies, it's about gaining control and making informed decisions. Without a budget, financial problems can sneak up on you: unexpected bills, rising debt, and the stress of not knowing where your money is going. Understanding why budgeting is crucial is the first step toward financial stability. As we dive deeper, you'll discover practical strategies to create and maintain a budget that works for you. So let's get started and take that first step towards mastering your finances. So, what exactly is budgeting? Simply put, budgeting is the process of creating a plan to spend your money. This plan helps you determine, in advance, whether you have enough money to do the things you need to do or would like to do. At its core, a budget involves setting aside funds for different categories of expenses such as housing, food, transportation, and savings. It allows you to monitor your income and spending habits, ensuring that you are living within your means. Understanding and managing these components is key to achieving financial stability. As we move forward, you'll see how setting financial goals can enhance your budgeting efforts. Before you start budgeting, it's essential to set your financial goals. These can be short-term goals like saving for a vacation or long-term goals such as buying a house. Setting clear goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Understanding the difference will help you prioritize what's most important. On this journey, your goals will serve as your guiding stars, making it easier to stay on track. As we move forward, you'll see how to track your income and expenses effectively to meet these goals. The next step in mastering your budget is tracking your income and expenses. This step is crucial because it lays the groundwork for the entire budgeting process. Start by listing all your sources of income, whether it's your regular paycheck, freelance projects, or passive income streams. It's important to have a comprehensive view of where your money is coming from. Once you have a handle on your income, the next task is to track every expense meticulously, no matter how small. Every cup of coffee, every online subscription, all of it should be accounted for. This may seem tedious, but it's essential for forming an accurate picture of your financial habits. The goal here is to gain clarity. By knowing exactly where every dollar goes, you can identify patterns, spot unnecessary expenditures, and make informed decisions about how to adjust your spending. This clarity will empower you to take control of your finances and set yourself up for success. As we move forward, you'll see how this tracking lays the foundation for creating a budget plan that truly works for you. Now it's time to create your budget plan. Start by allocating your income to different categories such as housing, food, transportation, and savings. Consider each category carefully and assign realistic amounts based on your prior tracking. This ensures you're not setting yourself up for failure. Remember, the goal is to make sure your total expenses do not exceed your income. A good budget should balance necessities and financial goals while leaving room for the unexpected. Adjust these categories as needed, but keep your core priorities in focus. Budgeting is about making deliberate choices with your money. By allocating funds thoughtfully, you create a clear plan to follow, one that reflects your financial vision. As we move forward, you'll see how regular review and adjustments keep your budget effective and aligned with your life changes. Now that you've created your budget plan, the next crucial step is to keep it dynamic. Your budget is not set in stone. It's important to review it regularly and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, and so should your budget. Maybe you've received a raise, or perhaps your expenses have increased. By regularly reviewing your budget, you can adjust to fit your current financial situation. This ongoing review process helps you stay on track and meet your financial goals. If you find you're spending more in one category than anticipated, don't worry. Adjust your budget to reflect this reality. Maybe you need to allocate less to entertainment and more to groceries. Or perhaps, after reviewing, you realize you can save more money each month for that vacation or emergency fund. Flexibility is key. Re-evaluating your budget allows you to adapt and stay aligned with your financial goals. This proactive approach ensures that unexpected changes don't derail your progress. Commit to a regular schedule for reviewing your budget. Whether it's monthly, quarterly, or after any significant life event, this practice will keep you in control. As we move forward, you'll see the importance of staying disciplined and motivated to achieve successful budgeting. As you embark on your budgeting journey, let's dive into some essential tips for success. First and foremost, avoid common pitfalls like impulse buying. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and make purchases that aren't part of your plan. Always ask yourself if an expense aligns with your financial goals before making a decision. Staying disciplined is key. Budgeting requires consistency and dedication. Regularly track your expenses and stick to your allocated budgets for each category. If you notice you're overspending in one area, adjust your habits or budget accordingly. Staying motivated throughout this process is equally important. Remember why you started budgeting in the first place. Whether it's to save for a big trip, build an emergency fund, or pay off debt, keep those goals at the forefront of your mind. Creating visual reminders, like a vision board, can help you stay focused and inspired. Finally, always think of budgeting as a tool for financial freedom. It's not about restricting yourself, but about thoughtful spending and planning for a better future. As you get better at budgeting, you'll find more opportunities to save and invest in things that truly matter to you. Stay with us as we delve into the next steps on this path to financial empowerment. To wrap up, we've covered the basics of budgeting, from setting your financial goals to creating and adjusting your budget. Think of budgeting as a powerful tool to help you take control of your finances. Start today and see the difference it can make. You've learned how to track your income and expenses, allocate funds wisely, and make necessary adjustments along the way. Remember, every financial journey begins with a single step, and that step is deciding to budget. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's never been a better time to start taking control of your financial future. Begin today, and watch as you transform your financial stability and peace of mind. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we wish you all the best in your budgeting endeavors.